Today we're going to cover just a few more attributes of the ready-to-weld system. Today we're going to focus on our ability to add functionality to this system because our system is built to be versatile to meet your application. So let's say that if you were looking for a way to automate your pipe spool welding and predominantly you only need MIG. Well, you can get this system with just our MIG power supply. This is a Phoenix 552 XQ power supply. It gives you 550 amps of continuous duty cycle, and we can actually add up to 2 wire feeders on this system. So here's our wire feeder for this system on the system that we're delivering to this client in St. Louis. They only have 1 MIG wire feeder, but if we wanted a wire feeder for hardwire and 1 for flux core, or if we wanted a wire feeder that was set up for 035 and 1 set up for 045, or maybe 1 for stainless and 1 for carbon. They could have another wire feeder put on this system, and then we would have 2 MIG torches ready to go, and all they would have to do is select the wire feeder they're wanting to run off of, and it's that simple. The system is built to allow you the flexibility of having 1 or 2 wire feeders. Now then, let's say that you bought a system and all you needed was TIG. The power supply over here on the far side is our Tetrix 352 power supply. It gives you 350 amps of 100% duty cycle. Now the Tetrix can come in various amperage ratings. We have a 352, a 552. We actually go up to 1,000 amp capacity on that. So we can get as large on the amperage capacity as you would need to in your application. That system is complete in the way it sets. The water cooler is at the bottom. The hot wire section is that middle part, and then the power supply sits in the top. It is all encompassed in that box so that you've got hot wire and you have water cooling all right there. Again, with the Phoenix, your water cooler sits down here in the lower section. So both of these systems are water cooled and give you 100% duty cycle at the maximum amperage. The other thing that we give you with this is, let's say that you did buy a system with only MIG or TIG, and then 2 years down the road, you discover that you landed a huge job that needed the other, either MIG or TIG capacity. You can add either one of these at any time. That gives you the flexibility of controlling your capital spend to when you only spend those dollars on that other welding process, when you're actually going to use it in your production. So we have the TIG over here with the Tetrix 352. We have the MIG right here with the EWM Phoenix 552 XQ. This is our hot wire TIG wire feed. It's a TIG speed robotic power wire feed system for our hot wire TIG.